Hi, welcome to Naoko's piano lesson number 3 today. You learned so much in 1 and 2 videos, right? For the video, I just use lesson book premium level. You can buy at the Amazon. They will deliver in a couple days. You know that, right? Okay, let's get to the lesson. Now, between the C and G, D, E, F, those 3 notes, D, E, F. Now you're gonna play the D, E, F song. Feel the notes first, then it will be easier for you. Number 2 goes on D. Right? 1, 2, 3, go. D, 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 E, 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 F, F, E, E, D, C, D. So first note, you see a D, that's D. Okay, this is E, E, F, F, E, E, D, C, D. D, 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 E, 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 F, E, D, C, D. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 E, E, F, F, E, E, D, C, D, 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 E, 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 F, E, D, C, D. Okay, then let's go to the next page. Now you're gonna learn about steps on the stuff. Step up, you'll see this one is a line note, and that's a space note, and going up. So it's a step up. This one's space note, and that's a line note, and going down. So step down. Okay, now look at this note. Oh, it's going down the hill and going up, going downhill, and one note up. Okay, the same way here, the going down, step up, and this is repeating the same note. And you remember this one, it's middle C. Okay, just right hand for this one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. G, F, E, D, C, D, going up, G going down, E, D, 1 up, E, 2, 3, 4, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, G, repeating the same note, and middle C, 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay, the next page. Time signature 4/4. Okay, what is that? You see the music has time signature at the beginning. For the right hand, 4/4, and for the left hand, same number. You have 4 counts in the measure, top number, and the bottom number means it's a quarter note, gets 1 beat. So you see from this to this, 1, 2, 3, 4, because music goes from left to right. Remember? So left hand, right hand, right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Okay, so let's try. Left hand number 3 on. Remember, this is F note. Right there. Number 3 on F note. Right hand middle C, number 1. Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, right? next one is the same thing, 4/4, 4/4. Okay, so you have a 4 beats each measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 4 beats, 4 beats, 4 beats, 4 beats. Let's try this song. Number 2 on C. Number 3 on D. That's a different position now. Okay, be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, C, D, D, C. Move up to D position. D, number 2. D, D, E, E, D. Now hop 2 onto E. E, E, F, F, G, G, F, F, E, E, D, D. Then left hand C, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, now you're learning more notes on the left hand. This was the middle C, and that's the B. So middle C here, a B. Okay. So this one is also 4/4, 4/4. All right, let's play ball. Now right hand number 3 on this note, which is G, right there. Okay, so it will be C, B, C, G, G, C, C, B, B, C, G, 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 F, E, F, G, F, E, F, G, B, C. Yes. 3/4, the time signature. This song has 3/4. That means 3 beats, quarter note gets 1 beat. Okay, you see this part? 1, 2, 3, right? And next measure is 1, 2, 3. 3 beats, right? 3 beats, 3 beats. Okay. Number 1 on the middle C, left hand. And number 1 on right hand starts here, D. Okay, next to each other. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, go. C, C, B, 1, 2, D, E, E, D, 1, 2, F, G, G, C, B, C, F, E, D, C. Get it? More notes on the left hand. C, B, you already know. So one more down. Step down. C, B, A. Okay, this is 4/4. So 4 beats in the measure. A, B, C, E, G, G, F, F, E, E, C. Okay, let's try. 1 on C, and the right hand starts here. Number 3 on G. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, B, A, B, C, G, G, F, F, E, E, C, G, C, 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 G, B, 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 G, A, B, C. Did it? Let's go to the next one. Russian folk song. Number 3 on E. Number 1 on the left hand goes to B. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. E, 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 D, D, C, C, B, A. E, 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 D, D, C, C, B, A. B, 2, 3, 4, D, D, C, C, B, A. B, 2, 3, 4, D, D, Okay. Learning G. Left hand has one more note. C here, B here, A, one more, G. Okay. So this is a two-page song. Let's try it all. Look at right hand, C and G together. Two beats. 1, 1, 2 beats. Okay. And left hand starts here, number 1 on a beat. All right. And then step down and step down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, C, G, C, G, 2, 3, 4. C, C, B, B, A, G, G, F, E, D, 2, 3, 4. Next page. C, C, B, B, A, G, G, F, E, D, C, 2, 3, 4. Together. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, C, G, G, C, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now about the skips. Okay, you learned step already. Step was the next note up or next note down. Okay, skip is a skipping. So this is C, that's E, right? So you're skipping a D. That's all about it. It's easy. Skip a finger, number 1 to number 3 finger. Skip a letter, C to E. And in the music, line note to next line note. Line note to next line note. Okay, now the music too here. For 4th beat, C, number 1, and number 3 on E, and number 5 on the G. So C, that's E, and that's G. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. C, E, G, G, E, C, C, E, E, G, C. Repeat. C, E, G, G, E, C, C, E, E, G, C. Next song, Allegro. Allegro is Italian words for the fast or lively, fast song. Okay, but I won't play so fast this time. Now the left hand is a C, middle C, right? And the right hand is E, number 1. It's a different position. Okay, and right hand is E to G, so that's a skipped up. Okay, and this one together. Okay, if you see like this, it's together. And left hand is holding 4 beats, and right hand is playing melody. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, C, A, C, B. Again. E, G, E, G, E, C, A, C, B, C. Okay, more about the skip. Now, what if space note to space note? Space note to space note. That's also skip. Okay, so this song is about skip in the space notes. Okay, left hand, this is G. Remember? G. Number 4. Okay, and then skip up. So number 2 will be B. And right hand D, number 2. And skip up, so that will be number 4. Okay, so start with the G. 1, 2, 3, go. G, B, D, F, E, D, C. G, B, D, F, E, 2, 3, 4. G, B, D, F, E, F, G, F, E, C, D, B, C, 2, 3, 4. Now, next song is the last song for this lesson, Yankee Doodle. All right, it says pedal down. If you have a sustain pedal, if you have a pedal, it will be the all the way right pedal. Some piano has 2 pedals, some piano has 3 pedals, but it's all the way to the right pedal. And pedal down here and pedal up here. So it sounds like this. 1, 2. You see, sustained. Nice. Ah, did you hear? Okay, 1, 2, 3, pedal down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, B, D, F, G. Pedal up. Yankee, D, E, C, E, D, C, C, D, E, C, B, C, C, D, F, E, D, C, B, G, A, B, C, C. So today's lesson is until here. You're gonna learn much more in the next lesson. Okay, how was the lesson today? I hope this video helped you, and practice many times as you want, and we will see you in the next video.